What's up, my writers? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below, and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every single time I upload a video. And that's also how you become an official low rider. You guys, today I revamped the wig, and this wig I believe was like 24 inches. And you guys see it's a Bobbiana now, okay? You're gonna see the struggles that I went through doing this wig, from my shears not being sharp enough, the clippers not being sharp enough. I went to the regular household scissors and they did okay. Then I went back to my shears and to finish it off, but yeah, it was a doozy. But watch the video so you can see what I'm talking about. See you at the end of the video. Okay, my low riders, this is what the wig looks like now. And I haven't seen this wig in about 2 years. I think I ordered her 2 years ago and wore her and then forgot about her. But you're ready to start on her now. Okay, you guys, I'm parting the hair and sectioning it. I'm getting ready to curl it. I was gonna put curls in it, but you'll see me putting some curls in it, but I decided against it because once I started curling the hair started acting like it was a synthetica wig. But I don't remember where I got this wig from, and I've been having it for a long time. So it could be a synthetica because I did do a series of synthetic wigs. So, and I didn't remember when I took it out. But once I started flat ironing her, I saw how the hair was acting like it wanted to melt or something, like the flat iron wouldn't go all the way through it. You guys will see what happens when I put the flat iron through it, because I'll show you where the hair is coming off on the flat iron. But to say it's a synthetica, it's a pretty decent synthetica. It's like right here where the curling iron won't go all the way through, like smoothly. So I have to make it, and then it really didn't take a curl. So you guys will see what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna stop talking now. It was around here when I figured I'm just gonna flat iron. I'm not gonna try to put no curls in it because this hair is definitely some type of blend for sure. For sure. And yeah, for sure. See how it stops gliding down the hair at a certain point? And so now I'm trying to pull it down really fast so that it won't burn or singe any of the hair. But it looks okay, but I know that it's not okay. And for some reason, the closure hair is acting better than the hair that's in the bundles in the back. I did not make this weave. I ordered it for this wig. I ordered it from some company, and I don't remember which one it is. But the color is fabulous, you guys. So now I'm looking to see how much I'm going to cut off. Because now that I know that the hair is acting up like that, I don't have a problem cutting it off. Okay, you guys, when I saw how the hair was acting with the flat iron and with the curlers, I decided to cut it into a bob. And even that, and then that's when my shears didn't act right. They're not sharp enough. The clippers that my husband brought me, his clippers to use, they didn't do nothing. I could have cut it with my bare hands better than the clippers. And then I went back to then I used some regular household scissors, and those were okay. See, now there I go using the clippers and nothing, look. It's not doing anything. See, I put that down. Then I went to the household scissors, and those did okay. After that, I tried the wig on, and it was still too long, so I cut it some more. And you guys will see how short I cut it. Now I'm getting ready to style the wig on my head. It seems like everything that I touched to do this wig didn't work. The shears were not sharp enough. The clippers, child. And then here I am getting the adhesive spray. And I went through 2 bottles of it, and the things won't go down so that the spray will come out. As you see, I have to take the thing out and put it on my hair with the little plastic thing that comes with the spray. Then these baby hairs, I wasn't gonna do them. I said I was not gonna do them. And what did I end up doing? Doing what the hell I said I wasn't gonna do. Then even after that, after I styled it, you guys, it's taking more time to do the baby hairs than it did to do the whole damn wig. The concealer on the part, to make the part more defined. And I saw that afterwards. I was tired and irritated. So yeah, even though it's revamped, it does look better than it did before, but still I know it could have been better. About to put a little bit of Chi Brilliantine on there. Silk Infusion, you guys. That gives it some shine. And I still think I might need a little bump in it. Just a little one. Let's see. Okay, y'all saw the end of the video. What y'all think? Did I do okay or did I do okay? I know I couldn't cut the back properly. But I think it looks kind of cute. I think it looks cute. I might need to put this down some more. Yeah, but this is cool. So again, glad you made it all the way through to the end. And if you made it all the way through, give me a purple heart in the comment section. If you made it all the way through, give me a purple heart in the comment section, okay? See you guys in the next one. Stay blessed.